Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to give you a clear and easy to understand summary of the pros and cons of using Zoho books. Now let's get started. Don't forget this summary is backed by credible sources. So let's get started. Now the pro is that it has intuitive clean interface, which is great for non-accountants. Now Zoho books con is that it has a learning curve for advanced tasks and can overwhelm beginners. Now when you look at the pricing, it is affordable with a free plan and several low-cost tiers starting at less than $90 per year. But the con is that the higher tier plans and user add-ons increase the cost. Now when you look at automation, Zoho Books has powerful automation features, like bank fees, recurring invoices, and payment reminders. But the con is that the workflow setup can be complex. Let's look at the integration ecosystem. Yes, it integrates well with Zoho suites and third-party apps like payments, gateways, and CRM. But the con is that it has fewer third-party integrations compared to other competitors. Now, when you look at the reporting aspect of it, it has a good range of built-in reports. It can integrate with Zoho Analytics for deeper insights. The con is that it has a limited customization, and then some users prefer external BI tools. So let's move on. When it comes to the mobile app, yes, Zoho Books has a useful mobile invoicing, expense tracking, time project tracking. The con is that the mobile lacks full desktop functionality and we have occasional performance issues. Now, for phone offline users, no, it is not available. So it doesn't have an offline mode. Because it requires internet. So that is a con, not a pro. Moving on. When you look at the customer support, the pro is that it provides chat, email, and webinar support. But the con is that the users report inconsistent support quality. Yes. Let's look at data and scanning costs. Now the pro is that it has good automation in Zoho ecosystem. But the con is that the receipt scanning add-on is expensive at $2 per scan or less than $0.16 each. So let's look at scalability. Scales from solo to mid-sized businesses with multi-currency and inventory is one of the pros of Zoho Books. The con is that it has a multi-company support that requires separate accounts. So now let's look at real user voices, that is testimonies from people that actually use it. So the first person said it is not made clear that our books will be completely destroyed if we do not log in every 120 days. Wow. Also, they legitimately want $2 each for receipts. This is wild. In summary, the strengths of Zoho Books is that it's affordable and it's scalable with an intuitive interface. It has strong automation, especially with Zoho ecosystem integration, and robust core accounting features and mobile support. What you need to watch out for? You need to watch out for advanced features having a learning curve, limited offline access, and some report customization, extra fees for receipt scanning and possible inconsistent customer support, and lastly, data loss risk if inactive for long periods without logging in. Hope you found this video helpful.